moving on to the second game, which is called 15 words or less. जहाँ पे she'll have a set of words which I'll have to guess while she gives hints for each particular word by giving one word as a hint. She also can't say much, and I'll have to guess those words. We'll have 8 words that I'll have to guess, and then it'll happen vice versa that she'll have to guess, and the words will be given by ChatGPT.
Give me random words of. नहीं, don't see. उसने दिया तो है.
But do you personally know those words?
Yeah.
And names?
लेकिन उसने 25 दिया है. इसमें
ठीक
से
है,
मैं
you
कोई
choose.
I'll choose 10.
Yeah.
इधर लिखेंगे. This is the word.
For
ये
the-
easy है.
It's okay. Just give me a hint.
पहला वाला easy रखते हैं. Rain.
Weather,
Cover.
raincoat, jacket, umbrella.
You guessed it in four words. Okay. Next one. Flower.
Flower is the word. Is the hint you're giving. Flower. Rose.
Rare.
Rare. Rare and flower. I don't even know the rarest flower. I think the rarest flower actually is Rafflesia, which is the largest.
उतना भी rare नहीं भाई.
So, I don't.
Girl's name.
Lily.
Close.
Lotus. No.
कौन सी लड़की का नाम लोटस है?
Not hibiscus either. Give me a hint. Quite close. Somehow relate कर लो जो मुझे शायद पता हो सकता है.
J.
What the fuck is J? Jasmine.
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Next word. Okay.
Yeah.
C.
Is it CC or C?
C. C.
The body, water body. Beach. Sand.
Movie.
Finding Nemo.
Famous.
Life of Pi.
Pose.
Titanic. Okay.
Okay. Next word. कितना हुआ words?
I think 4 या 5 हुआ होगा.
नहीं 3 हुआ है.
Total जो मैंने guess किया. हाँ वो 3 हुआ है. I was talking about just Titanic. 4 words that I took.
इसको ऐसा खाना ही नहीं होता है. ऐसे खाना होता है. Okay, next. So he has guessed 3 words. चौथे में जाएंगे अभी.
Yes.
Nature.
Leaf. Tree.
Water.
Nature and water. Lake. Sea. Ocean.
तुम ऐ नहीं बोलते जा रहे हो.
This is a risky one now. I've used up 6 words.
बाहुबली.
Waterfall.
4 words guessed. Car.
Ferrari. Let's go.
I knew you would guess it. Dinosaur.
Jurassic Park. This is the one.
Trip. Storage.
Bag.
Clothes.
Trolley. And I'm close, you're telling. Duffel bag.
Pack.
Backpack.
Sky.
Clouds. Blue.
Distance.
Sky and distance. What? Atmosphere.
Space.
That was the word. Moon.
Sea.
Sea or sky, distance, space and sea. What the fuck? In my mind, there's no relation. Black.
Thing.
Sun? नहीं, light.
Sun is-
Light.
कितने वर्ड्स हो गए तुम्हारे ना गेस करने वाले?
I think 7 या 8 होंगे, surely. अरे तुम hints बहुत गलत दे रहे हो शायद. Or maybe I'm not getting it. I'm dumb. I've used at least 7-8 words. जब मैं edit कर लूँगा तब उधर दिखा दूँगा कितना words है. Thing. Sky, distance, space, sea, thing. Satellite, rocket.
इसमें C क्या आ रहा है?
I might have 3 chances left. Let's say 3 chances है. So you give me good words so I can guess with those 3 chances.
Terrace.
Star. You're saying that's wrong? भाई 2 chance बचा है.
Stargazing.
Is that the word? Is it Milky Way?
Stargazing means seeing the stars, right?
हाँ. Okay, I said Milky
That's a
Way.
hint.
I said Milky Way.
एक चांस बचा है बस.
How can I go so wrong?
ये तो इसका फेवरेट है, स्पेस एंड ऑल. I thought
That's what. But see, I don't personally. I'm honestly saying those words don't make sense to me. मतलब कुछ तो relation मुझे समझ आना चाहिए था ना, as I'm saying.
मुझे तो समझ आ रहा है.
मतलब maybe I'm not getting it, but give me one more hint that you think I will get close to this single word that it is. Is it a telescope?
Yeah.
Why last? You could have told lens, no. सोचो, lens would have been so much easier for me to guess. But this
मतलब
also-
देखो, स्पेस का नाम सुनते ही दिमाग में वही आ जाता है पहले कि सैटेलाइट या फिर टेलीस्कोप.
Not really, because you know very little about space. That's how you get it. कितना ये हुआ अभी words? Last guess में मैंने guess कर लिया भाई.
6 हो गए.
Guess ना? 6 हो गए. तो 2 और बाकी है.
मूवी, ये पता चल जाएगा इसको. सुपर पावर.
Bro, Superman.
क्लोज.
Batman.
Close, but I'll give you one more hint.
What do you mean close? There are multiple heroes. I can name everybody. I'll lose my chances. Again, थोड़ा closer to the word.
अभी एक वर्ड में बोल दूंगी, इसको समझ आ जाएगा.
That is kind of the game, but let us see.
नहीं, I shouldn't. You
It shouldn't be so easy.
Yeah.
Also. I agree, but it shouldn't be so difficult also. जैसे space, distance,
नहीं, वो तो सही था भाई. वो उसका नाम क्या है भाई?
or you can say something
जॉनी
associated.
डेप. वही मैं बता रही हूँ ना उसका.
Johnny Depp superpower. He's not done any superpower movies.
नॉट जॉनी डेप नहीं रे, उसका नाम क्या है?
RDJ, Robert Downey Jr.
मार्वल.
Is that the hint, Marvels?
Yeah.
Again, there are so many movies. Iron Man.
Okay, next.
Hmm.
Rhymes.
Children.
Pathway.
Rhyme and pathway.
Falling.
Rhyme, pathway, falling. Ringa ringa roses. Huh? Then what are these hints? Then where should I get to?
बताते हो ना, नेक्स्ट अभी है ऑप्शन.
Bada.
क्या?
Good going. Good game.
बोट.
Okay, just so we're on track. Rhyme, pathway, falling, boat. What the actual fuck? ऐसा कौन सा rhyme है?
फेमस सिटी.
Famous city. London Bridge is falling down. That's a good hint. That's a good hint. Nice. तो हो गया क्या 7 words?
तुम्हारा शायद 7-8 हो गया.
5 minutes later.
And we're back.
एंड वी आर बैक ऑन कुकी बोल.
क्या enthusiasm है तुम्हारा? And we're back बोल रहा हूँ. She's like, हाँ क्या? हम आ गए. Ignore. तो I have fresh 7 words, 7 to 8 words that she has to guess. I'll be giving hints. It's the same game. Shall we start? First word. It's actually hard giving hints here. रुको.
इसे बोल नहीं सकती, लिंक्स नहीं बोल सकती, वो नहीं बोल सकती.
Bollywood.
हीरो.
Recent controversy. Arey, come on. The people already know the answer. This is being shot on December 11th, by the way. So, recent controversy you might know. Ecstatic person.
मतलब
Leave that. Highly enthusiastic.
रणवीर सिंह.
Okay. This is good. You'll be pissed off with this hint. Colors.
ब्लैक. ये क्या?
6 colors.
रेनबो.
Shape. Puzzle. She should get it by now. You guys know the answer. Come on.
लेगो. जो तुम्हारे पास है, क्यूब.
हाँ, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
क्यूब ही बोलते हैं ना.
Should we give her the point or no? उसका नाम बोले यार सही से. You should. कहीं पे तो सुना होगा. Come on, think. But
That one.
it's called that one. Rubik's cube.
Rubik's.
You told Rub, na?
I was telling Rubik's.
ठीक है. Then she gets the point. Okay, that's. Nice. Good job. Fast food.
पाव भाजी.
Western fast food.
पिज्जा.
Hint giver सही होना चाहिए. Okay, so तीन you've guessed. Japan.
एनिमे.
City.
टोक्यो.
Earth.
पीपल.
Pull.
ग्रेविटी.
मिल गया. Good job. Hint giver. Superhero.
स्पाइडरमैन.
That's the only one she knows, इसलिए मैंने वो दे दिया. Night.
Raat night.
What else night is there?
KNIGHT.
Raat night.
Moon.
Vision.
Light.
See. Yeah, see. Come on, you got this. हिंदी वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं रोशनी. दिस वर्ड
Moonlight.
हाँ. तुम्हारा भी 7 वर्ड्स हो गए. तो
You
जीता
guys tell जीता कौन?
जो कम वर्ड्स जो लेता है वो जीते. तो आई थिंक यू ओनली विन देन. आई टुक लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स. दिस आल्सो बिकॉज़ हिंट गिवर ना मैं मस्त था. ठीक है.
जो भी हारता है ऐसे ही बोलता है.
स्पेस डिस्टेंस.
स्पेस बोलते ही टेलीस्कोप आना चाहिए था. In my defense, that is my word.
Now I'll leave in my defense.
No.
If you already in the category of space, I know a lot of things. So you should really go dig deep and come to the closest options. Because I know a lot of space, so my mind will go towards many things along with telescope. समझ रहे हो? So you should actually dig deep and get to telescope so that it is easier for me. That's how you give hints, ना? Hint गिवर अच्छा था मैं जो था.
इसका अलग ही प्रॉब्लम है.
I know. मुझे अलग
You want to बता मैं जब से वो रील डाला है तब से एक ही लेके बैठ गया है.
जब से वो रील का आइडिया मैंने ही दिया है वो तो वो भी बोलो.
हर जगह वही पे बोलता बैठ रहा है. Who my problem? Who my problem?
We don't resort to violence, okay? तुमने तो गलती की है मानो तो.
ये वही शिकवाड़ी.
Peace out for 2 minutes. ये क्या आदमी है भाई?
उठो भाई बहुत